Hanging a heavy mirror or mounting a TV is terrifying if you don't know what's behind the drywall. I've drilled into enough empty voids and nearly hit a few pipes to know better. So I grabbed the top 5 stud finders on the market and put them through some serious testing to see which ones actually work and which ones are just expensive paperweights.
Product number 1, Stud Finder Wall Scanner, Blood Orange. Starting with this blood orange model, right out of the box, the color is striking, which actually helps so you don't lose it in a messy toolbox. When I gripped it, it felt pretty solid, not like cheap plastic. I tested the 5-in-1 modes on a wall where I knew the layout. The Smart Chip claim seems legit because it picked up the center of the stud quickly without flickering too much. The HD LCD display is bright, and the arrows were easy to read even in a dim corner. It did a decent job differentiating between wood and AC wires, which is a huge safety plus. If you need something versatile that covers all the bases without being complicated, this one handles the job well. It's a solid all-rounder for most home DIY projects. Product number 2, Stud Finder Wall Scanner, Soft Gray. Then I tried this soft gray version. It looks a bit more professional and understated compared to the orange one. Holding it against the wall, I liked how smooth the sliders are on the back. It doesn't scratch the paint as you slide it back and forth. I ran it over some tricky spots with pipes and studs close together. The calibration took a second, but once it locked on, the edge detection was sharp. I noticed the audio beep is loud enough to hear over a drill, but not annoying. It tracked the metal studs just as well as the wood ones. For me, this felt like the dependable option you keep in the kitchen drawer. It's perfect if you want a tool that blends in but still gives you accurate readings when you're hanging pictures or curtain rods. Product number 3, Zircon Stud Sensor Center Stud Finder. Now, moving to the Zircon Stud Sensor, this one feels different, a bit more specialized. The deep scan mode is where it really shined for me. I have some double drywall in the garage, and while others struggled, this one found the stud center right away. The built-in wall marker is a tiny feature that I ended up using constantly. You just press it to leave a mark so you don't need a pencil in your mouth. The spotlight pointer actually projects an arrow on the wall, which eliminates guessing. It also has this error correction thing that stops you from getting false positives if you start scanning over a stud. If you want a brand that's been doing this forever and need precision for heavier loads, this Zircon is hard to beat. Product number 4, Stud Finder Wall Scanner Detector. I also checked out this other 5-in-1 electronic wall scanner. The shape is slightly different, offering a bit more of an ergonomic grip for my hand size. Running it across the living room wall, the sensor for live AC wires was super sensitive. It started beeping way before I got too close to the outlet, which gave me a lot of peace of mind. The visual bars on the screen ramp up as you get closer to the target, making it easy to pinpoint the exact center. It's lightweight, so your arm doesn't get tired if you're scanning a whole ceiling for joists. I'd say this is the right pick for anyone mainly worried about drilling into electrical lines while doing renovations. It prioritizes safety features while still nailing the basics. Product number 5, Stud Finder Wall Scanner, Yellow Pear. Finally, I tested the Yellow Pear model. The high-vis yellow is great. You definitely won't step on it by accident in a messy room. What stood out here was the microprocessor speed. I moved it across the wall pretty fast, and the display kept up without lagging, which isn't always the case with these scanners. The HD display is crisp, showing the battery life and the specific mode clearly. I tested the metal mode on some plumbing pipes, and it distinguished them from the wood studs effectively. It feels very similar to the first one, but seemed just a hair faster at processing the data. If you're the type of person who wants to get the job done quickly without second-guessing the readouts, this snappy little tool is a great addition to your kit. Finding a stud shouldn't be a guessing game. Hopefully, this helps you pick the right tool so you can drill with confidence and keep your walls intact. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.